My Italian mother once told me that some of the real secrets to beauty are hiding in our pantry. This is the anti-aging dish you didn't know you needed, and it doesn't require a single trip to the dermatologist. All you need is a fork, a bowl, and 2 minutes of your time. So today we're going to be making a dish that is so healthy and quick, it'll be ready before your espresso has time to cool. And it's bursting with ingredients that feed your heart, your skin, your brain, and your soul. So let's get started. Let's start with the star of the show, canned salmon. Now, I know you see it on the shelf looking shy next to the imported sardines and the flamboyant anchovies, but one serving can give you 20 grams of protein. Now, just open the can without breaking a nail. Drain it if it's packed in water and put it in a bowl. Next, use the juice of half a fresh lemon. This brings more than just flavor. The natural acidity helps digestion and it smells so bright and cheerful. Lemon doesn't just complement salmon, it elevates it. And then parsley. In Italy, we call it prezzemolo, and it shows up everywhere. But there's a reason for its popularity. It's a quiet powerhouse of nutrients and antioxidants for bones and blood. Use it generously. Then a bit of olive oil to fight inflammation. This is the lifeblood of the Mediterranean, and it's what we drizzle over joy and heartbreak and everything in between. A little black pepper for some contrast and a bit of heat, and maybe a spoonful of capers if you're feeling dramatic. Now just mix it up, and let me tell you, this is real. Real nourishment made with real food, with real flavor, no potions, no powders, and no pretending. Let's get one thing clear. Just because this recipe is quick doesn't mean it's not sophisticated. This is the kind of meal you make when you're tired, your fridge looks like a desert, but you still want to eat like Sophia Loren in a silk robe. This is what I call la cucina furba, or the clever kitchen. Now, there's a reason why the main 4 ingredients that make up this dish are so nutritious. Canned salmon, which is just as nutritious as fresh, contain omega-3 fatty acids. These are age-defying elixirs that help reduce puffiness, reduce inflammation. They help with dull skin and even mood swings. These little fats are like your skin's therapist. Calm, kind, and full of wisdom. Salmon is almost like a supplement in a can because it contains a lot of protein, which is good for maintaining your skin's structure. It contains calcium, which is good for your bones. It also contains B12, which is good for your mood and your brain health. The lemon in this recipe is tart, refreshing, and unapologetically bright. Basically, the Italian auntie of the fruit world. Lemons contain a lot of vitamin C, which is essentially the glow vitamin. It brightens your skin, helps repair tissue, and boosts your collagen production. It's like having a spa treatment in your salad. Lemon is also good for supporting your liver, the organ that filters all the drama out of your bloodstream. And extra virgin olive oil, this is not just a fat, it is liquid heritage. It's full of polyphenols, reduces inflammation, and boosts your heart health. It also moisturizes your skin from the inside out. Think of it as an edible lotion. And finally, parsley is so much more than just a garnish. It's rich in vitamin K and vitamin C, and it helps detoxify. It's almost like a little broom for your bloodstream. Plus, it freshens your breath after a garlicky night, which we all need. This dish is customizable in so many delicious ways. You can add cherry tomatoes if you like. If you want it crunchy, add celery or some fennel. If you want it spicy, add some peperoncino. If you're hosting guests, spoon it into endive leaves or onto crostini. You can even stir it into hot pasta or stuff it into a pita or layer it into a salad. It's a foundation for so many moments of culinary grace. So there you have it, your 2-minute glow-boosting anti-aging meal. Simple, cheerful, and as chic as a silk scarf. A great reminder that beauty begins at the table. I want to thank you so much for choosing to spend a bit of your day with me. Many blessings to you and your families. Take care, and we'll catch you in the next one.